All right, here we go. We got the GoPro on. We got this good looking little Acura Integra. What's your name, bro? Joliet. Right on. What do you got going on? Is it pretty loud? You got this whole little box and everything. Well, I'm gonna put you two up against each other first. How's that sound? Hang on, let me walk over here and talk to my homeboy. This is a little bit different format than what I like to do. I like to do pull into and one stays and one goes. What's your name, brother? Juan, you think you got anything for the Integra over there? I heard you playing around in the pits. I seen what you had going on. He's like, Okay, well, I'm going to remind these people once again, all of y'all are judges, so I need full participation to pick a winner between these two. I'm going to go ahead and let you go first. Let's go ahead and go. Integra wins. What's up with that?
Hey, what is that?
He said, what is this magical box you have? The VR.
That says beer.
Beer. Hey, beer man. Okay, well, here's the deal. I think the black car's been eliminated, right? Yeah. Okay, just hang tight. But you've been eliminated. Just know that. You get to stay. He got a front row seat because he entered the competition. What's your name, bro?
Jason.
Jason, I have seen these Volkswagens put on work from coast to coast, from north to south. They're pretty rowdy. What do you got working?
Just a little VR6.
Well, let's hear this VR6. It's not even the boosted four-cylinder. Those are the rowdy ones. I got a loose tooth in the back of my head. That kind of rattled it.
Oh boy.
That's all right. Let's see. Let's go back here to beer. So did you hear the Jetta? Could you hear the Jetta from all the way down here? Could you hear it? No? Well, break him off some. To the Acro.
Oh, beer.
Beer. I'm sorry, but you've been eliminated by the stinking ass Volkswagen.
I can do it again?
Yeah, do it again. All right, let's do one more. Let's do one more vote. The tentative. make my job hard every time. Show of hands, Integra. Show of hands, Jetta. Man, what do you think, homie?
If he got a box.
Well, yeah, but y'all standing over here around him. Let's find just a random bystander. Just a random dude. What's this guy with the marijuana shirt on? What's this guy? You kind of smell like Otto's jacket, homie. What's up?
Alright, the Honda got it, bro.
You thinking the Integra got him? All right.
Jetta got it. He don't got the box.
I'm a Volkswagen guy, dude. How we gonna get him? Pull down here next to my man. Make some room over here for my dude. Make some room. We're gonna do one side by side, and that's gonna be all. And then we're gonna move on to this little infinity and beyond right here. We done eliminated one of them. All right. It's a VR6. All right. You want to do it at the same time, or you want to do it individually? All right. Get ready, guys. Same time. 3, 2, 1, go! Integra, dog. That's cool. There ain't no rules. All right, so we got the Integra now. He's still holding it down. Where's the guy that owns the little black Infinity? Where's my driver at? All right, bro. Do you think you got anything from home, dog? Shit better be live. All right. I gotta make you famous. I'm sorry. What's the name? Yeah, we'll be okay.
Remy.
What? Remy?
Yeah.
Remy, my man Remy. Yeah. Let's see what he's got. 3, 2, 1, go, Remy. Like one of those whole lot of platters or whatever the hell they got. You just kind of. So does anybody got my man Remy over the Integra? Alright. Yeah, we didn't even really need to vote on that. It just kind of sounded like the morning after some bad Mexican food. So, next contestant. Can I get some beautiful young lady models out here to walk around and look pretty and let me film them so they can be all pretty for YouTubes, and I can get in trouble from my wife for filming pretty girls. Does that ever happen to you? No. Oh shit! I spoke out of turn too soon. Mama gonna have your ass. It's your ass in the boot, man. All right. So this big bad Evo 10, does it walk and talk? Does it do the damn thing?
It stops.
You gotta have faith, brother.
We'll see.
You can't win without he says we'll see. All right. What's your name? James, I'm over here trying to fall down out of heat stroke. All right, James, 3, 2, 1, go! Bamboozled. I'm feeling lied to.
My 10-year-old wanted to do it.
Well, maybe next year. We'll see. Okay, well, all right, Mr. Integra, we're not even going to talk about it. I think you're a strong runner-up. but we'll see. What's your name, Mr. Z Car?
Zach.
Zach out here with the Z. Yeah, it's got some of those. It's got a little. Do you think you have anything for James?
Maybe.
All right. Well, James was pretty quiet about it. Let's hear what you got. This is the South, right? Y'all like tea, sweet tea? Well, your truck's kind of like watered down sweet tea. It's sweet. So on to this guy. What's your name, bro? Cody. All right, I think we got Cody. What did I do? How did I check?
You gotta start
Check. Fuck. This is what makes my job hard. Not doing any of this. Check. All right. Let's hear what. Soon the streets will be filled with the blood of the non-believers. Holy shit. Cody, are you trying?
Yeah.
All right. So we're back over here in microphone range. Does anybody think that James didn't win?
Hell no!
The Evo 10 won, right? All right, congratulations, sir. You win the grand prize. Thank you for coming out to I Import Face Off, and stick around for the award ceremony and we'll get your trophy.
All right, appreciate it.